and welcome to my morning routine. This is not just any morning routine, this is a productive morning routine, which, if I'm being honest, doesn't happen very often because I'm not a very efficient person, but once in a while, on like the weekends or if I have a free day, I want to feel productive, this is what I do. BT dubs, thank you so much to Honey Nut Cheerios for sponsoring this video. I am so excited about that. So I'll usually set my alarm around 9 o'clock, which I realize is not very early for a lot of you guys, but for me, it's like pretty freaking early. If I don't set an alarm though, I literally will not wake up until like 1 p.m. So that would be a problem. So the first thing I do in the morning is usually go on my phone for a while. This just helps me wake up because I'm definitely not a morning person. I'll go on social media, talk to you guys on Instagram and Twitter. I love doing that, so make sure you follow me, shameless plug, at JENerationDIY. And once I'm feeling ready to get out of bed, I'll put my phone down, sit up, and recently I've actually been drinking water right when I get up, which is such a weird thing for me because I never used to do this. I'm such a dehydrated person, like I literally never drink water, so I am surprised that I'm not literally shriveled up like a raisin at this point in my life. I'm trying to fix that for myself. I'm trying to be a hydrated queen. After that, I head to the bathroom to do, you know, the regular bathroom stuff that you do, like brushing your teeth and all that. I actually have Invisalign in, so I take that out, rinse it off, and then I start brushing my teeth, and then, you know, I also wash my face. And a lot of you guys always wonder what my skincare routine is, and I've never really done one because I literally don't have one. I just wash my face with water. I probably should do more to my skin because it's like not great, but I'm a simple person. Okay, then I head over to the kitchen to eat some breakfast, and this morning I decided to eat some Honey Nut Cheerios, one of my all-time favorite cereals. It's iconic. I don't know if you noticed this, but the box is kind of different than normal because right now they're helping to raise money for 3 amazing charities through the Good Rewards program, and basically each charity is paired up with a celebrity to create different teams to race to collect the most money for their charity. So you have Team Lucy Hale with ASPCA, Michael B. Jordan with Feeding America, and Rob Gronkowski with Gronk Nation Youth Foundation. Personally, I'm taking part by joining Team Lucy with ASPCA because they are an amazing animal cruelty prevention program that helps out all the little furry animals out there. And basically all you have to do is scan the buzz coin on the back of the box and then just tap to donate your buzz coin to the charity that you've chosen. It's super easy and a quick way to do something good in your day because for me, it's super important to give back to the community. Okay, so basically the team with the most buzz coin at the end of the race will win 100K for their charity, which is amazing. And also every time you scan, you have the chance to win a variety of different prizes like pop sockets, gift cards, and tech, so that's awesome. Okay, so after I've gobbled down my entire bowl of cereal, I'm heading back to my room to prepare to go outside into the world because recently I've been swimming a lot. I'm trying to work on my fitness. I'm trying to get healthy again because I used to swim a lot, and then in the past couple of years my health just kind of started declining. So right now I'm just packing my bag to go swimming. Swimming is one of my favorite exercises. I literally hate going to the gym. It makes me feel so sad. So I love being in the water. I just find it a lot more fun. I didn't get footage of me actually swimming because I feel like that's kind of weird to film at like a public pool. Once I finished swimming, which is usually like 1 to 2 hours, I'll head back home, and I usually shower at the pool too, so it kind of saves me some time. And then I usually get hungry afterwards. I'm literally always hungry, but especially after burning that many calories, I need to refuel myself. So surprise, surprise, I grabbed the same box of Honey Nut Cheerios and I'm pouring myself some, but without any milk. I don't know if this might be weird, but sometimes I like to just eat cereal dry. Kylie Jenner does it too, so it must be cool. Oh, also, since you can scan your buzz coin up to 3 times a day, obviously I'm scanning that again to earn points for Team Lucy. Actually, it would be so cool if you guys could join my team and help us win 100 grand for charity by scanning and donating buzz coin. And I mean, a lot of you guys probably already eat Cheerios, so why not just collect some buzz coin and do good? So this day I wanted to eat something fruity, so I grabbed an apple, and I love doing this. I basically chop up the apple into wedges. I mean, I don't love chopping the apples, but what comes next is what I like. Basically I chop them up and I grab a bowl and I take a whole ladle of peanut butter and I just plop that into the bowl because I freaking love peanut butter. And for those of you who are allergic to peanut butter, I am so sorry. That stuff is amazing. So I usually take those 2 bowls to my room so that I can do some work. I eat in my room. I know it's kind of disgusting to some of you guys, but I usually keep it pretty clean, so it's fine. So I will plop onto my bed, grab my laptop, and start eating. Usually at this time I'll start editing or planning stuff in my calendar because I have to plan out all my videos for each week, schedule stuff in my calendar, answer emails, all that kind of fun stuff. Editing usually takes me like a long time, but it's usually pretty enjoyable, so I don't really mind it. So I realized that productivity is usually pretty low if you're sitting on your bed, but I've kind of gotten used to it. But I also just thought it would look good for the video if I'm being honest. But I would recommend working at a desk just because your productivity will probably be higher. After maybe like an hour or two of working, I'll set my laptop aside and I'll put on some music on Spotify. I'll play some boppy tunes, something to get me in a good mood, because now I'm gonna clean my room, which my room is usually pretty messy, and what I'm showing you guys right now is like not nearly as messy as it usually would be. Usually you probably would not be able to see the floor. This is like relatively clean for me, which probably is not a surprise because I have so many room cleaning videos. Yeah, I'll just clean my room and do laundry, all that kind of stuff. Adulting, it's a fun time. It really is not, but like it has to be done. But once I'm done folding my clothes, I'll put them into my closet, and recently my closet has been looking pretty organized, which I'm pretty proud of. Okay, you must have known this was coming up, but I'm heading back into the kitchen because I'm scanning my Buzzcoin one last time for the day because, as I said before, you can scan up to 3 times a day. Also, make sure to check the description box for the website to keep up with the team rankings. Okay, now I'm heading back into my room, and this is something that I have only been doing recently because it's kind of time consuming, but it's really fun for me. So I've recently been sketching a lot, just of like random things, but also I may be sketching some merch designs. I don't know. I literally don't know though. Like, it's just ideas at this point because it's like nothing official. I'm just thinking about it. So don't look too much into it, but I'm just, it might be coming out in the future. I don't know. So that's a fun thing that I'm doing when I have time. But I feel like this is a fun way for me to get my eyes off of my phone and laptop once in a while so that I don't go blind one day. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. So I hope you guys enjoyed my productive morning routine, and also don't forget to grab your boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios so that you can participate in the Good Rewards program. Scan your Buzzcoin so that you can donate it to your favorite celebrity and charity team. Shout out of the week is right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!